Want to make money in the booming world of crypto? With the help of ChatGPT, you can earn up to $800 a day or even more without needing advanced skills or a huge upfront investment. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful ways you can use ChatGPT to build your own profitable crypto venture. From automating tasks to creating valuable content, these strategies are designed to help you tap into the incredible potential of AI and blockchain technology. The crypto market is on fire right now, but it won't stay this way forever. Just like the early days of Bitcoin, when a few smart investors became millionaires almost overnight, we're at the beginning of a new era where AI tools like ChatGPT can give you the edge you need to succeed. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Let's dive into the first strategy: market research. Staying informed is crucial in crypto, but with so many coins and projects, it can get overwhelming. That's where ChatGPT shines, acting like your personal research assistant to quickly summarize trends, analyze data, and give you an edge over the competition. Let's see how it works. With ChatGPT, you can quickly get insights into the latest market movers by asking, "What are the top altcoins this week?" ChatGPT will provide a clear breakdown of each coin's use case, recent performance, and factors driving its price changes, giving you a snapshot of where the opportunities might be. If you're eyeing a specific coin, try asking, "Analyze the market sentiment for your coin over the past week based on recent news and social media." ChatGPT can summarize recent price trends, key events driving investor interest, and technical analysis insights. For example, you might learn that a token is gaining traction due to integration with major funds, but indicators suggest a mix of bullish and bearish signals. Plus, ChatGPT can highlight broader factors like the Fear and Greed Index, helping you understand if the market mood is optimistic or cautious. Now that you've done your research, it's time to build a trading strategy. Whether you're just starting out or already an experienced trader, ChatGPT can help you build a plan that suits your goals. We'll start with a simple approach for beginners, then move on to more advanced strategies for those ready to dive deeper. First, if you're new to trading, start with basic indicators like the RSI and EMA. These help you understand when the market might be oversold, a good time to buy, or overbought, a good time to sell. ChatGPT will suggest a basic approach, like combining the RSI and EMA to identify when to buy and sell. For example, you might set up a strategy where you buy when the RSI drops below 30, signaling oversold conditions, and the price moves above the EMA, indicating a potential uptrend. ChatGPT can also guide you on placing stop losses just below recent support levels and setting take profits at key resistance points. This way, you're not just getting a strategy. You're getting practical, step-by-step advice on how to execute it effectively. It's a straightforward method for beginners to start understanding how technical analysis works in trading. Now, if you're comfortable with the basics, let's take it up a notch. For more advanced strategies, you can combine multiple indicators for a more refined approach. For a more sophisticated setup, try combining moving averages to track trends, Bollinger Bands for volatility, and MACD for momentum. ChatGPT can help you find entry and exit points, along with guidance on how to confirm trends using these tools together. Trading strategies are a great way to actively grow your crypto, but what if you want to earn without constant monitoring? That's where passive income comes in. Let's look at how ChatGPT can help you tap into the world of yield farming and staking to generate steady returns. Passive income in crypto can be a game changer, allowing you to earn without actively trading. 2 of the most popular ways to do this are yield farming and staking. And yes, ChatGPT can help you make the most of these strategies. ChatGPT can guide you through a variety of yield farming platforms, highlighting key factors like expected returns, fees, and the stability of different pools. Whether you prefer low-risk stablecoin pools or higher yield opportunities, ChatGPT can provide a breakdown of options that match your risk tolerance. Staking is another effective way to earn passive income. You can lock up your assets to earn rewards while contributing to network security. With ChatGPT, you can get a detailed comparison of staking options across different coins. For example, it might explain how staking Ethereum involves more technical setup but can offer higher returns, while staking Cardano is simpler and doesn't require locking up your assets for long periods. ChatGPT can provide insights on the benefits, like consistent yields or flexibility, and explain any risks, such as potential lockup periods or technical barriers. By using these insights, you can decide which passive income method aligns with your goals. Enjoying these insights? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community for more tips, strategies, and updates on how to maximize your earnings in the world of crypto. Plus, turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest videos. The crypto space is filled with opportunities, but it can also be a minefield. Knowing how to spot scams and risky projects is crucial for protecting your investments. With ChatGPT, you can get a second opinion on any new project or token you're considering. ChatGPT can provide insights on what to watch out for, like anonymous teams, unrealistic promises, or suspicious token distribution. It can even review the project's white paper or scan through community feedback to see if there's anything concerning. Think of it as having an extra set of eyes to help you do your due diligence. Scammers often lure people with promises of guaranteed returns or flashy marketing. But with the right prompts, ChatGPT can dissect those claims and help you make more informed decisions. And it's not just about avoiding scams. ChatGPT can also identify legitimate risks, like projects that may be overhyped but have weak fundamentals. From security flaws to regulatory concerns, ChatGPT can give you a detailed risk analysis. This way, you can decide if the potential rewards outweigh the risks, or if it's better to steer clear. Staying updated on crypto news is essential, but sifting through endless articles and tweets can be exhausting. That's where ChatGPT can save you time by aggregating the latest news and analyzing sentiment so you get the key takeaways fast. ChatGPT can quickly pull together a summary of important news, helping you stay informed without getting overwhelmed. Whether it's regulatory updates, major partnerships, or market-moving events, you'll have everything you need to make smarter decisions. Want to know how people feel about a particular coin? ChatGPT can analyze market sentiment, giving you insights into whether the mood is bullish, bearish, or neutral. This can help you time your trades or decide whether to buy, hold, or sell. Looking for quicker profits? Arbitrage might be your answer. This strategy involves buying a coin on one exchange where it's priced lower and selling it on another where it's priced higher. With ChatGPT, you can find and act on these opportunities faster. ChatGPT can point out where price differences exist, giving you the chance to buy low and sell high almost instantly. While the profit margins can be small, quick actions can add up to significant gains, especially if you're using an automated approach. If you're liking these strategies, hit subscribe and don't forget to check out our other videos for more ways to level up your crypto game. We've got tons of content that will help you get the most out of your investments, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Imagine having a trading bot that works for you 24/7, making money even while you sleep. With ChatGPT, you can create a simple trading bot to automate your strategy. No coding required. ChatGPT can walk you through everything from choosing the right platform to setting up parameters for buying and selling. It can help you configure the bot to follow your trading rules, like entering trades when prices dip and exiting when they peak, all based on your chosen indicators. Risk management is key when using bots, and ChatGPT can guide you on how to set stop losses and take profits, ensuring your bot knows when to cut losses or lock in gains. With the right setup, your bot becomes a tireless trader that follows your exact strategy. So, there you have it. 7 powerful ways to make money in crypto using ChatGPT. From market research and trading strategies to passive income and automated bots, ChatGPT can be your AI assistant, helping you navigate the world of crypto with confidence. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on new ways to level up your crypto game. And if you're hungry for more, check out my other video, The Top AI Crypto Projects Right Now. to learn about the best AI-driven tokens on the market.